Hello YouTube, Rick Deal here again. This will be part 16 of my series of 20. You could call this probably my spear shelf because most of my spears are on this shelf. So let's get started. I have a Cabalada. I believe this is supposed to be vintage. Not too sure. It's kind of like sealed in plastic when I bought it. Haven't opened it. A devil ball or a wisdom ball. Different names for this one. My Rubik's 360. Oh, sorry buddy. Okay, I have a I think a Japanese baseball team. I think that's what that one is. 2x2. I don't know what that is. Just say another spear ball. A spear tennis ball. A Marsuko, the black and white. The 8 color, I guess, or Marsuko ball. Red and white one. I have a Crazy World 2x2. An older World 2x2, or no, not 2x2. Can't tell. Weird kind of puzzle. It's a magic turning ball. I forget what this one. But this is a Calvin puzzle. Yeah, Calvin puzzle. I forget what kind it is though. An older snake. Cheap generic 3x3 ball spear. K-ball. The Braille edition with the little bumps on it. All these balls move about the same, so most of them are all 2x2s, and they all move about the same. So if you have any kind of spears, you know what I'm talking about. There's another cheap generic 3x3, smaller than the other one. Okay, I think there's another wisdom ball. We have a gear ball. A rainbow master ball. And this is another K ball, along with his cousin, different colors. Have that one, I forget what it's called. Kind of button one. I like the way they put these little bumps on it. It makes things easier to move. Sometimes they get hard to move. And with the little bumps, it gives some kind of friction. Another baseball. 2x2. Even though I can't stand Pepsi, I get a Pepsi 2x2. One of these. My grandson, you know, he's 3. I think he was able to solve this. I mixed it up, and he was like fast. He was just pop, 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 popping everything going. Whoa, man! So I was really impressed with that. He's only 3 years old. He was able to solve that one. And that's the first time he had ever seen it, so that was pretty cool. Smaller World Cup 98 spear. Not really a 2x2. This one is though. It's a little golf ball. I think that's another. No, I'm not sure what this one is. Maybe a dream ball. So the Mickey's Challenge. Another spear, Warner Brothers, a Tweety Bird, and oh, I guess that's it. And the Warner Brothers emblem. There's that ball we just saw. Let's see, is it the same one? Yeah, so probably made by the same company. Alright, let's see, I have this big magic ball. Pretty big. Compared to this smaller version, same thing. Have a Mattel Mini Cube. A Circus Master Ball, which probably just broke. I don't remember it being broken when I was putting everything together in a box to bring it up to this room. Windmill cube? It might be a fish. I think it's a windmill. Oh, my phone! Could be. Okay, a 2x2 soccer ball. A 5R ball. An Rubik. This is an electronic one. Exactly, I don't know how it works. I never read the instructions. But they light up in some particular order, I think. You gotta press the little buttons that are on them. A couple of other snakes. These are all old snakes. A 5x5 spear. Bought that one off of, I believe, Twisty puzzle site. Pretty nice. These, I see them advertised as mask ball, mask puzzles. Super square one. 4 layers. There's a square one. And here's kind of like the same thing. These are stars though. Older Mega Mix. Wait, Tommy. Here's another 2-layer super square one. There's another square one. MF8 brand. Another 2-layer white one though. Super square one. That one is a I can't even think right now. I forget. I know the name of it. My brain's not working great. Here's another Tommy Mega Mix. Here's some McDonald's Rubik's that came from McDonald's Happy Meals. I got these from, I think, Estonia or something like that. But I got 4 of them, and then I got a whole complete set still sealed. Have that put away. I have one more of these. There he is. Cube. There you go. I think that's what it is. Cube. Yeah, I knew it'd come to me. A 3x3 by 5. tiled Mega Minx. Here is a Tommy Pyraminx. Kind of unusual, the white one with the red stickers. I have a black one here with the fluorescent stickers almost, but orange fluorescent. Then I have one by Wonderful Puzzler. And then another one. Mega Minx by, it says Pyraminx, sorry. Pyraminx by Tommy. A 2x2x3. Another one. A 3x3x2. 3x3x1. 3x4x1. That one. I forget what that one's called. Then we have this one. Higher level, kind of like a mega pyramid kind of pillowed one. Another one with fluorescent stickers, Pyraminx. A 3x3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3x3 by 7. Maz. The cylinder version. Another super square one. 4 levels. 2x2x1. Pyraminx with the edges cut off. I think I got that one from Russia. Same as these. Little Pyraminx. And that one. There's a writing on there. That one, which I forget what it is. Another 3x3x1. A super, I think it's called super, I'm not sure. There's a circle. 3x3x2. A little Rubik's Revolution keychain version. Maybe they're super cubes. I'm not sure. I forget what those called. Bought those a long time ago. An excited one. Akihira. Another different version of one. Something like a Mega Minx, I think. I guess I don't know most of these. I think this one's called Supernova because it makes a complete star on this one. An older version of a puzzle. I think that's 14 sides if I remember right. Another 8-sided puzzle. Again, I think that's something new. I'm not too sure. Domino. Another kind of Pyraminx pillowed one, but different layers, so I gotta have a different name. I just know it's an extra layer. So this one has, I think, 5 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 4 layers, I think. Another 8-sided puzzle. Another square one. That, I forget the name of that. Is this one, which again, I don't know what this one's called. I have too many to remember all the names, like I said before. Rubik's Rings. A flower puzzle. Another tiled Mega Minx. That, which I don't know the name of it. Another 2x2x3. Pyraminx Junior, maybe? Belly Bob 8 ball. Was that 9 ball? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ball. Yeah. Mirror block cube. Scrambled. Ghost cube. 1 level. There's another one still in the box. a 5x5x4. That one, I'm not sure what that's called. Another Mega Mix. Well, maybe that's a Super Cube also. I'm not too sure again. Another puzzle, weird puzzle. Almost like a die pyramid, hexagon die pyramid. Corners chopped off the corners. This one, again, I don't know the name of that one. There's another one, which again I do not know the name of this one. A couple of Pac-Man cubes. And a Magic 8, like a Hungarian ring. Well, that is it. Again, I appreciate you watching. I know I went fast there because I got to see what that phone call was about because they called me twice, so it's probably my wife. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and have a good evening.